dear friends, for your performance and choreographer Manu Master.
ಈ ಹಾಡು ಕೇರಳದ ಓಣದ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಹಾಡು.
Yes, it is a popular boat song which expresses the desire to enjoy the natural beauty of the region. So now I welcome 8th standard students onto the stage.
From where I began, it's the sound of the waves, the breeze on my skin. Wish that I could be back in my homeland, singing show me the road and I'll be right there. I'd do anything to feel the wind in my hair. I'd go far as it takes and I won't even care. I'll sing കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളി കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം ഓ each day thinking, what if I hadn't gone? What if I stayed? But when so many things